Hello and welcome. We're gonna go solve Roboto Sans. This might have to do with the font or with the slash robots.txt. I don't know. The flag is somewhere, not necessarily on the website. Okay, let's go to robots.txt and we have what looks like to be base64 decoded, encoded stuff. Let's decode them maybe. This might be a huge thing. Okay, we have flag text.js. Let's delete this line. We have, okay, can we delete this maybe? Oh, it's JS slash my file. Okay, let's see this directory right here. Great, we have the, but what? The word flag was right there. Okay, it's fine, as long as we have a flag.